Hi, Greg here, Kiwi Wanderers. Okay, this week, guys, we're looking at the latest bit of kit that takes care of two things that are very important to me: eating and internet. Stand by and I'll show you what I mean. So, while we're at Jaco Christchurch, loved it there, I noticed a great display from the Aussie company BBQ ARM. And I understand Jaco's recently become the New Zealand distributor for BBQ ARM, and I was fortunate enough to have the War Office with me, so we purchased a Starlink pole and a BBQ ARM. In this video, I'll show you how they work for us and whether I think they're a worthwhile investment. Okay, so if you've just joined us, we are Kiwi Wanderers, Sandy, the previously mentioned War Office, and myself and Holly the dog, travelling around New Zealand in our hotel on wheels, the old Jaco Silverline, and we're loving it. The only bad thing we can say about this lifestyle is that we should have done it soon. Anyway, we really enjoy making these videos, and if you get something out of them, that's great. That's really good. If you would like to buy us a coffee, that's great as well, and there'll be a link down there. Right, so my application to the War Office went pretty well. Sandy, look what we've got here.
What have we got?
This is a bit of kit. This is specially made for Starlink, and you know I love Starlink. Don't you? Look at that. You can put it to any place you want.
Whoa.
Collapses down. Got the special Starlink adapter there. Oh. Here we go. Comes in a BBQ ARM. Comes in a great bag here, and nice robust construction. Right. Let's look at the Starlink pole. It's very sturdy and comes in a nice bag to keep it safe in my front boot. I've been using the Starlink pole adapter and an alloy flag pole from Trade Tested, and it worked okay. I had to put it together every time, but it looked a bit average. And yeah, it was attached to the bike rack on the back of the van. We don't use the bike rack, so that's no problem. And it worked okay. But we did have problems when we were backed up to a hedge or a line of trees or something, and the Starlink was obstructed. I'd have to put it on the ground on a few occasions just to get reception. But I don't like doing that. I've heard of so many Starlinks getting damaged by other campers not seeing them and running over them. But now I have another option. I can mount on the front of the van with the BBQ ARM mount. It works very well, almost like it was made for the job, not like my hashed up idea. So yeah, a great bit of kit, nice and simple. And if I look at the flagpole, which cost $125 or something plus freight, and the Starlink adapter, which cost $80 or $90, there's a difference in buying this gear, but it's a purpose-built bit of kit rather than a home-built setup. Now, we have version 2 Starlink, and if you have the latest version, version 3 I think they call it, there's a pole adapter, so you can use this same pole and front mount. So that's the BBQ Starlink mount. Now, my other passion, food, as you can tell. Here is the BBQ ARM box. Righto, what do we got here? BBQ ARM, whoa, nicely packaged. A bit of advertising there. Yep, good. So this is obviously the mount for the drawbar. Good. And then, there we go. The BBQ ARM itself. Nice. And then this guy obviously goes in there. because I had Sandy, aka the War Office, with me at Jayco Canterbury, and they have a great stock of all the BBQ ARM range, I managed to get a few extras. So we have a cover for the tray, which helps me keep my front boot in order, and I managed to get a paper towel holder as well. Haven't used that much yet, but we'll see how we go. Now, everybody loves a good barbecue, but for us the setup was always a bit too hard. We needed to, we really did need a purpose-built table. And look at this. Once again, a bit of kit made for the job. It's very easy to barbecue now, and because we have such a nice setup, we've got a new Weber as well. Setup is easy and I love using it. I've only ventured onto cooking breakfast so far, but we'll see what the future brings. Yeah, so here's me doing breakfast. As you can see, I've got a little way to go. A few bits of burnt bacon there, but we're getting close. And yeah, loving the BBQ ARM and the paper towel holder. Use that quite a bit. Great. Right, so the only extra thing I think I probably need is another drawbar mount, so that I could have a barbecue and have Starlink on the front of the van at the same time. Would I recommend this stuff? Yeah, hey, look, it's all well designed and made for the job. It sort of does away with the Kiwi ingenuity, you know, like my Starlink pole, but it's Aussie made, so, you know, Aussie, New Zealand, we're pretty close, so I think we can claim it. Okay, so is it a worthwhile addition to the van? Yes, it is. It's great. Love the Starlink pole, and I'm pleased to have a purpose-built barbecue area. Have a look at the range of stuff they have on the website, bbqarm.com. I'll put a link down the bottom. And if you're New Zealand, just give Jayco a ring right there. They're great. Hey, thanks for watching. We have some exciting videos coming up, so stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Once again, thanks for watching. Catch you out there.
Tonight we're running on the right track.